It's Margarita, and today we are taking it back to the house of Shay and Blue with their newest release, Rhubarb Sandalwood. I know it's been a while since I've released a video. Y'all, I have been busy, and I'll tell you with what in my next video. But today I want to tell you about what's in this pretty pink box. One thing I've noticed about Shay and Blue's fragrances is what they say is basically what you're going to get. Rhubarb and sandalwood are the prominent notes in this fragrance. This is a citrus, aromatic, woody scent. I must admit, when I first tried it, I was excited. I was really excited because when I think of rhubarb, I think of like a tart strawberry, a strawberry pie, you know, the baked goods that have rhubarb in it, and sandalwood. I love sandalwood. It works so well with my chemistry. So when I tried this, I have to admit, it did not live up to my expectations. This is not a bad scent. It's just not for me. Mainly because, one, it is a very masculine leaning scent. If you are someone who prefers masculine scents, I would strongly recommend this. There is zero sweetness to me. It may pick up notes on you that are sweet, but the rhubarb is truly tart and the sandalwood is definitely dry and woody. So if you like a dry, woody scent, I think this will be great in a candle. This smells like something you would get at a spa, or you would smell as like the ambient fragrance in a spa. I personally do not care for this as a personal wear fragrance. Also, the performance on this one left much to be desired. By this being a sandalwood fragrance, I would think that the base would be woody enough to, I guess, keep the strong scent going on me. And I tried this about 3 or 4 different times. I've had this for a while and I wanted to give it a fair shake. It just doesn't last long on my skin or my clothes. I would recommend probably layering this with one of my favorite, Black Tulip. This is sexy and it's sweet. Black Tulip would be a nice option to make this a little bit more floral and a little bit sweet. Plus, Black Tulip is beast mode. So I would say pair it with this one or my other favorite, Tonka Angelica. This is what actually made me like Tonka again. Tonka is very hit or miss with me, but Shay and Blue's version of Tonka is beautiful. You can see the bottle is almost, it's more than a third gone. I've been wearing this. I do enjoy their fragrances. Just this particular one wasn't for me. No one's going to ever like everything that a house offers. Let me just put that out there. There's more hits than misses. This one wasn't a hit for me, but it might be a great option for you. Also, this video is sponsored by Shay and Blue, but the opinions expressed are my own. So let me know in the comments if you've tried any of their fragrances, if you've worn this one standalone or layered it with things, and how that experience has been for you. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and most of all, share this video with anyone and everyone. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.